Hello sir, my name is Ayush Jaiswal and I am from Lovely Professional University. My course is VPES and my section is X2103. This is the practical for the subject PED 112. As you can see, this is a volleyball court drawn on a sheet. So before explaining the measurements of the volleyball court, I would like to say a few things about the game volleyball. The volleyball game is approximately 110 years old and was discovered in America. This game is recognized in various countries of the world and was invented by A.D. William G. Morgan. So let's start about the measurement. Uh, let's start about the measurement. So as you can see, this is a volleyball court drawn on a paper. The volleyball court contains a playing court and a free zone. So this is the free zone and this is the playing court. Okay, the playing court stretches from 18 meters by 9 meters. So the sideline is 18 meters and the service line is stretches to 9 meters. Talking about the free zone can stretch to from 3 to 5 meters from the sideline and 3 to 8 meters from the service line. There are various zones in the volleyball court. As you can see, this is the front zone, this is the back zone, this is the libero replacement zone, and this is substitution zone. There are three lines in a volleyball court: the center line, the attack line, and the side lines, which is known as a boundary line also. The center line divides the playing court into 9 by 9 meters. Talking about the zones of measurement, the front zone measures 3 meters from the center line to the attack line, and the back zone measures 6 meters from the attack line to the service line on each side. There is a pole placed on each side of the sideline, and their distance is 50 centimeters from the sideline. On the court, there is a scorer's table and the team bench on each side. Apart from this, there is also a warm up area for both the teams on each side and a penalty area. Talking about the volleyball net, the size of the net should be 9.5 meters in length and in breadth it should be 1 meter. The size of the net mesh should be 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And if we talk about the height of the net from the ground, for men it's 2 meters 43 centimeters and for women it's 2 meter and 24 centimeters. The volleyball ball weighs 260 to 280 grams and the circumference of the ball is 65 to 67 centimeters. There are few skills for serving a ball in game volleyball. The first one is tennis serve. For tennis serve, the server should stand in service area. One foot should be ahead of the other and body facing towards the net. The ball should be held in the left hand. After the ball should be tossed above the head as in tennis service. When the ball moves up, his body should be bent backwards. At this time, the right arm should be swung back with a bent elbow and open palm. When the ball comes down, it should be struck to the ball with a forward swing of the arm. The arm should be opened up while striking the ball. The second one is overhead floating service. In this service, the ball is tossed higher and slightly forward than in tennis service. The server takes one or two steps forward and then jumps vertically. Then with a forward swing of his right arm, he smashes the ball with open palm. This type of service is usually performed in international matches and needs a lot of practice to execute. As we can say, this is the one of the toughest service. The third one is overhead pass. For performing overhead pass, a player should stand with feet apart, knees bent, body crouched and leaning forward. The hand should be in front of the face with elbows bent and close to the body. The ball should be passed with the tip of the fingers in front of forehead. The knees and the arms should be extended in the direction of one man blocking. For one man blocking, the player should come close to the net from where the smash is to be expected. He should take the jump and raise his hands over above the net. His face should be towards the net. He should try to intercept the ball at the time. The blocking can be done by 2 or 3 players according to the standard of match. There are few terminologies related to volleyball, such as smash, spiker, rotation, blocking, volley pass, deck pass, switch, overlapping, hook service, tennis service, double fault, set, libero, holding, diving, and rolling, etc. The brief explanation of some of the terminologies related to this I can give are: diving, trying to play a ball falling on the ground in front. Diving is done to do so. Boosting means to lift the ball up for the smasher to smash. Booster, the player who lifts the ball for a smasher is called booster. Block, an attempt to check a smash by a player. Players close to the net by taking jump and raising of hands is called block. Libero, he is a special player of a team. He can play for defense only. He is not allowed to smash a ball from attacking areas. His dress is different from other players. He cannot take part in rotation. Rally, a rally is the exchange of hits between the teams. The team that wins the rally gets the service. Ace, it is a point score on an unreturned service. Rotation, it is the change of positions of players in clockwise direction after getting a chance to serve. The next topic is how to score, win a set and a match in the game. First of all, how to win a point. A team scores a point by successfully grounding the ball on the opponent's score, or when the opponent team commits a fault, or when the opponent team receives a penalty. The next one is the fault one. A team commits a fault by making a playing action contrary to the rules, or by violating them in some other way. The referee judges the faults and determines the consequences according to the rules. Like how to win a set. A set is won by a team which first scores 25 points with a minimum lead of 2 points. In the case of a 24-24 tie, play is continued until a 2-point lead is achieved, that is 26-24 or 27-25. How to win a match. The match is won by the team that wins 3 sets. In the case of 2-2 tie, the deciding set, the fifth set, is played for 15 points with a minimum lead of 2 points. The game of volleyball is played by 6 players in each team, including 6 substitutes. There are 7 officials in the game, 2 referee, 1 scorer and the linesman, that varies from 2 to 4.